back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. This one is going to be non-phone, doing online chat. We're going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below the video. Today's job lead is from the company Adelium Global Education. They have 310 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.4 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring an online chat advisor. Now, this is a full-time remote for the United States only. But it says the primary purpose of this position is to service the online chat generated requests from prospective students, current students, and handle any general chat questions regarding admissions, student services, student finance, academics, or registrar services. So you'll be handling the online chat conversations with all of these prospective students, answering their frontline admissions questions, providing them with information, responsive feedback, while representing all the client partners' unique brands and business needs. You'll handle any general chat inquiries, providing specific answers that could be my Compass chats, service, academic advising, technical support, all of those types of things. You'll route detailed chat inquiries to the appropriate departmental personnel with special consideration for student finance questions. You'll help with university catalog material, providing responsive feedback on class offerings, and all of those things. Now, because this is a college education center, they do prefer a bachelor degree, but it is not required. They're looking for somebody who has 1 year of admissions or some kind of student services experience, someone who's familiar with college catalogs and class offerings, someone who can multitask because you'll have to do several chats at one time, and of course you'll have to have good grammar skills. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, pay is always dependent on location and experience, but ranges anywhere from $14.17 an hour all the way up to $23.29 an hour. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, life insurance, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. And if you have any feedback for me on how I could make this channel better, leave that down below as well. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.